In today's video, I am going to teach you how to unblock/enable camera in Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are in the main browser window so you can access the full settings menu. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the three dots menu. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page where browser permissions and privacy controls are managed. On the left side of the settings page, click Privacy and Security. Next, click Site Settings. Here, Chrome lets you decide what websites are allowed to do. You may need to scroll a little until you reach the Permissions section. In that area, click Camera. This opens the camera permission settings for the browser. Once you are in the camera settings, look for the option that says Sites can ask to use your camera. Select that option. When this setting is turned on, Chrome will allow websites to request access instead of blocking the camera automatically. That means when a trusted site needs your camera, you will see a permission prompt and can choose whether to allow it. If camera access was blocked before, changing this setting usually resolves the issue. If a website still cannot use your camera, refresh the page and check again for the permission prompt in Chrome. That covers everything you need to know.